Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to restore recently closed tabs in Vivaldi browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. It does not matter you have closed Vivaldi browser or any tab you were visiting. You can easily restore these tabs. For this, you can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift plus T. You need to repeat the keyboard shortcut until you find the correct page you were visiting. Otherwise, you can also reopen closed tabs by right clicking on this one title bar on the free space and selecting reopen closed tab option. You need to repeat this one process until you find your correct web page you want to revisit. Otherwise, you can click on this one Vivaldi menu icon and select here tools and then history option. This will open history and you can see here all the web pages you were visited before. Just click on the entry you want to revisit again and it will restore that particular tab on your Vivaldi browser.